Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. I am so happy that you guys have stopped by my channel to check out what I'm up to. Well, today's video is Fall Tiered Tray. And Fall Tiered Tray is an open invite collaboration hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Deborah Cabassa Home Living. So let's come in and have a closer look at how I decorated my wood look braided tier tray for fall. So let's start off at the bottom tier. First let me just start off by saying there are so many things that you can do with decorating tiered trays. You can put food on them. Of course, you guys already know this. You can put food on them, snacks on them, cups on them. If you have a coffee bar, you can put your little coffee bar items on them. There are so many things, succulents. There's just so many things that you can do with a tiered tray. They're so versatile. So let's just come in and see how I have decorated my tier tray for fall. So on this bottom tier, I have included some pine cones, some buffalo check pumpkins in the back there that I picked up from, I believe, the Dollar Tree. And these little velvet looking pumpkins, I picked those up from the Dollar Tree. And these braided pumpkins, I really like these small ones. I picked those up from Target because I like the natural look about them. So what I've done is I put in some dried oranges and I included the buffalo check cloth napkin. So I thought that came out nice for the bottom tray decor. Okay, so moving up, I only have 2 tiers, guys. So on this upper tier, I have included a few snacks because I thought this was really cute. This tier tray is on my breakfast bar. So as you run out in the morning or come in or sitting down watching TV, you can pick up a snack. So we have some organic omega-3 deluxe mix, and this one has in it cranberries, walnuts, pepitas, almonds, and pecans, however you say them, pecans. And in this one, we have a blend of cranberries, walnuts, almonds, Brazil nuts, and pepitas. So I thought that these were nice little snacks to include, just to kind of break it up a little bit from decor. And I have my autumn harvest blessings little placard back there that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So I thought that that was kind of cute. And then I wanted to, when I started putting this together, I stopped right here. And I thought to myself, well, this is kind of like, it seemed like it needed something else. So I said, well, let me bling it out with some fall vibrant florals. So all of these florals, guys, came from the Dollar Tree. And I thought that these were really nice and really screams fall. I like these vibrant colors. I really do. It just puts you in a festive mood for fall. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera around. Let's go around on this side. And let me show you guys. I had a devil of a time, though, getting them to stay up. So look at the back here. So I have some foam that I stuck my floral picks in, and I rubber band them together so that they would stay together. But that's what I have in the back. I was able to hold them in place by using the foam. Now, as you can see over there, my the space between my countertop and the cabinets is not tall enough to accommodate the poof, the poof of fall florals on the top. But I just did this to show you guys, for some people, if you want to put this in a corner or you have more space than I do, that this is a nice way to, add some pizzazz, to your tier tray. But when I go back to put my tier tray back underneath my cabinet, I will have to remove all the fall florals on top. But I just wanted to do something to kind of just bling out my tier tray. And I thought it came out nicely. And again, I have it beside my little DIY that I did a few months back, along with my stress relief candle. So I thought that this was, you know, a nice way to decorate a tier tray. So, hey, look, if you guys like these types of videos, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my channel. Give me a big thumbs up and drop a comment. I always like to know what you think. You know, drop a comment. And feedback is always important. Hey, look, I appreciate you guys watching my videos to the end. That is also very important. And I will be posting the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Deborah Cabassa. I'll be posting the links to their channels down below, so you can swing by their channels, take a look. They have some awesome content, and let them know that Jean Home Decor and more sent you over. Okay, so look, you guys have an amazing day, and until the next time, bye-bye.